Hey lovelies, I wanted to tell you about our full face brush collection. There are 4 collections, brush sets that are going on sale, which is very rare for our brushes to go on sale. They're going on sale for 9 days from August 16th through August 25th. This is the largest of the collections. It has 5 brushes. All of these brushes I use on a daily basis. They're all excellent brushes. The blush and bronzer brush, oh my goodness, I recommend this probably more than any to my clients because it is so versatile. I use it nearly every day, depending on how much time I have, what my mood is, what kind of coverage I want. I will use the large end for my skin color because with this large fluffy brush, it's very fast to put on. And then since it's so fluffy and longer, it gives a light to medium coverage. Our brushes are made to work perfectly with cream. So they're very dense. They're not going to shed. They're not prickly. They're really high quality, really good. And this dense, fluffy brush is just perfect for your skin color. It also is made for putting your bronzer on. It's perfect for that. Another thing I love about this big fluffy end is that when you circle and kind of polish it into your skin, it kind of brings up the glow and the shine. So that's great for your skin and your bronzer. And then this end is the most perfect blush brush you are going to find. Most of them are large, like this size or bigger, but this is perfect because then you can just dot it on and only put it exactly where you need it. Because if you use a big end, it's going to make a really big cheek and it's going to make it look like your cheek is sagging and like there's no definition there. So this is perfect. So it's a super versatile brush, really excellent brush, $40 on its own, but that is a goodie. It's a great staple for anyone to have. This one is the 3D brush. Now this one is what a lot of people like to use to put on their skin colors. I don't use it that way personally, but a lot of people love it for that. I use this to put on my contour. So I will kind of lay my contour with the coned end, and then I kind of buff and soften it with the domed end. So it's great for that. I love it for that. It's good for skin, but I love it for contour. So it is another good one to have. This one is perfect if you are wanting a lighter coverage. So if you have pretty good skin, you don't have a lot that you need to cover, younger girls, perfect. This gives a very lighter, more natural coverage. Our cream foundation is buildable, so you can build it heavier, but this is going to put it on kind of like a feather duster. It's going to be really light and soft and feathery and can just go really light. It also works great for doing your brightening highlight when you want to get into small areas with that. I use it every day to put on to prime my eyelids with my highlight before I do my eyeshadows. It can also be used, and it's really good at putting illuminator on because it's so soft and feathery and light. And some people even use it if they want to keep their blush really, really light and natural. They don't like a definite brush, then sometimes they'll use it for that too. So another excellent brush. This line brush is an essential if you want to put on your eyeliner with a brush, like using our cream eyeliner or our Seint eyeshadows, which is my favorite way to put on eyeliner. I've used pencils, the paint pots, and liquids in the past. They are much more harsh and definite, whereas this is much more softer, it's more forgiving, it's easier to do, it's easier to fix, easier to clean up, and it's my favorite way to put on eyeliner now. This little razor end is what gives you your eyeliner, and then some people use it for like brush hair strokes for their brows. This end works great with our brow wax, and then if you want to run this over powder, then you can make a loose powder out of our vanilla dust powder that fits straight into your compact, and then have loose powder. So that's the line brush, another good one. This one is an absolute essential for anyone who is going to wear eyeshadows, eye colors. This is our Seint eyeshadow brush. The small end I will use for detail work and to get a heavier punch of color. I'll smoke my eyeliner with it. I even put on my brows daily. Not today, just got them microbladed and they're still healing. But when I do brow color, I'll use the smaller pencil brush end. And then the fluffy end I will use either for washes of color, lighter washes of color, or also for my crease color. It's great at blending. This is an essential. Use it every single day for my eyes. Anyone who puts on eyeshadows needs this brush. And I actually use several of these. That way, even though our brush cleanser is amazing, it is so good. You know, if you're wearing brown in your crease and then maybe blue on your lid or pink, and then you have another color, a deeper plum color out here, and you've got several different colors, that keeps me from having to stop several times and clean my brushes. Even though our brush cleanser dries immediately and you can use it right away, it just takes out that step when I know I'm going to be going back and forth between a number of different colors, which I do often. So it's really, really good to have several of these. So again, this is the full face brush collection. It is $130. You save $35 by buying them together in this special collection, available for 9 days, August 16th through the 25th. All of these are excellent brushes. All of these are very high quality. All of these are staples. I use each of these every single day. So the full face collection.